Hello everybody, how are you today? Now we'll study book 2 unit 8, page 97. Do you leave the house at the same time as you used to? Apakah kamu meninggalkan rumah pada jam yang sama seperti dulu? No, tidak. Last year I used to leave the house much later. Tahun lalu saya meninggalkan rumah sering terlambat. Do you go to the movies this year as often as you did last year? Apakah kamu pergi menonton tahun ini sesering yang kamu lakukan di tahun lalu? Yes, I do, yeah. I go to the movies about once a week. Saya pergi menonton sekitar seminggu sekali. Do you know as many interesting people as you used to? Apakah kamu tahu banyak orang menarik seperti dulu? Did you used to get up early every morning? Apakah kamu bangun lebih awal setiap pagi? Yes, I used to wake up early and get up at 6 o'clock. Ya, saya terjaga awal dan bangun pada jam 6. Did you ever oversleep? Apakah kamu pernah kesiangan? No, I hardly ever used to oversleep. Saya hampir tidak pernah kesiangan. What time did you used to go to work each day? Jam berapa biasanya kamu berangkat kerja setiap hari? I nearly always used to leave for work at 7:30 a.m. Saya hampir selalu berangkat kerja pada jam 7.30 pagi. What time did you used to have lunch every day? Jam berapa biasanya kamu makan siang setiap hari? I used to have lunch at I used to have lunch at different hour every day. I used to have a lunch. I used to have lunch at a different hour every day. Saya makan siang pada jam yang berbeda setiap hari. You used to work until about 6 o'clock, didn't you? Kamu bekerja sampai jam 6, bukan? Yes, I used to work until a few minutes after 6 each day. Saya bekerja sampai jam 6 lewat beberapa menit setiap hari. We used to have a lot of interesting friends, didn't we? Kita mempunyai banyak teman yang menarik, bukan? Yes, we did. Do you remember our friend Walter Sullivan? Apakah kamu ingat teman kita Walter Sullivan? Yes, I remember him. Ya, saya ingat dia. He used to work with us, didn't he? Dia bekerja dengan kita, bukan? That's right, betul sekali. That was last year. Itu tahun lalu. He was always late to work. Dia selalu terlambat bekerja. Do you remember? Apakah kamu ingat? Yes, he used to oversleep every morning. Ya, dia kesiangan setiap pagi. He didn't have an alarm clock. Dia tidak mempunyai jam alarm. He never used to wake up on time. Dia tidak pernah terjaga tepat waktu. He used to sleep sometime until 10 o'clock. Dia biasanya tidur kadang-kadang sampai jam 10. All of us used to have lunch together. Kita semua makan siang bersama. That's right, betul sekali. And once in a while we used to go to the movies. Dan sesekali kita pergi menonton. Where is our old friend Walter No? Where is our old friend Walter No? Di mana teman lama kita Walter sekarang? Do you know? Apakah kamu tahu? I really don't know. Saya sungguh tidak tahu. He used to write me a letter occasionally. Dia kadang-kadang menulis surat pada saya. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.